Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern sideboards are truly unique furniture design pieces besides acting as the perfect storage element for any room design. It is also the ability to fill empty space according to your aesthetic preferences. Since functionality is one of your biggest concerns when it comes to interior design, we bring you a selection of gorgeous modern signboard design ideas that range from colorful to monochromatic, and many more sideboards come in a wide range of style, form, and finishes with a slight twist in the overall celebrity. They can be used in different ways while still becoming the focal point of any room. They are done most modern signboards rely on simple straight lines and a hint of minimalism and innovative design to bring the best of form and functionality together. The large surface area on the top of a signboard gives you the perfect opportunity to create a dashing and elegant display. Yes, it is the storage space beneath that often is real winner. A signboard can solve many of your design conundrum in a single go. Whether it is called a serve cylinder and long cabinet or living room console, the modern signboard is branded in a variety of ways, but different decor makers. Some have short legs, while others sit even closer to the ground. Then there are those that float gently above to the ground to create a more visual space interior. In this video, you'll find the latest and modern signboards that wow with the variety, creativity, and space-saving goodness. Modern sideboards are not only about refined grey, panicky, and simplicity, played in cloak of white. A revival of retro and vintage pattern has seen even signboards being trapped in flowery finishes. What was a piece of decor that one would hope to find out on the set of the 70s show has now become a big common addition to the contemporary living room entry or even the dining room. If the floral pattern seemed like a too much, then simple stripes or even chevron finishes can do the trick. Geometric and separately curved edges can also make a big impact in the living room dominated by straight lines. The wooden signboards has been revitalized by the recent decoration trends that have seen a spirit in the use of natural material and locally sourced timber. Apart from being a more eco-conscious choice, this fabulous wooden signboard assure in textural contrast without seeming out of place. Style and decorate them in an understand fashion to ensure that it is a signboard that manages to garner the most attention. Combined with woodsy rustic finish with metallic mesh door and have a signboard that seems more industrial than plastic. The contemporary signboard in grey is undoubtedly the most popular in many modern settings, and it is bound to remain the case for the foreseeable future. A grey sideboard would allow these decorative pieces above it to make a bigger visual impact, even ensuring that the color scheme of the room remained unaffected. It also let you combine an eclectic collection of as an addition the gallery wall vases or other accessories placed on or around it. Versatile and smart, the grey signboard can fit into almost any living room, dining spaces, or even entryway with ease. The living room console and media unit is quickly becoming a smart signboard in its own unique way, and the line between the two is being blurred with each past day. Just remove the television set from the equation and decorate it with books and piece framed poster, series of watches, or any other collection that would fancy, and you have a beautiful focal point. The right pendant or accent lighting only adds to the sophistication and uniqueness of this decorating ideas. Friends, if you're enjoying this design or modern designs and more ideas, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our channel and be a part of our YouTube family. Interior decor design, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior design. We are totally convinced that they are one of the most beautiful, useful pieces around. Thanks to the wide range of style and functionality, they make a great addition to even every room of the house. Dresses tend to be the go-to storage solution for most bedroom, but a signboard can tuck into a long slung space such as under a window slash while still giving you plenty of place to stand your stuff. Many include a combo of drawers and adjustable sleeves and all provide a pretty space for displaying books, vowels and trinkets. When it comes to your family room, the signboard can function in a million and on way to TV on the top and hide your electronic equipment within range. It become back to back with a floating couch, one that's not flush against a wall. It is open plan room to help define multiple space or place it under a hanging mirror or painting to create a stylish weakness sideline it under a hanging mirror or painting to create a stylish weakness sideline those standard filling cabinets and work in a sideboard. Instead, the drawers can cover loose bits and moves such as paper clips and boxes or staples, while the shelves can be sized for folders. And anywhere in your house, sleek, simple sideboard is the perfect countertop to a busy salon style art wall. Hallways are often that no man lands of home design, neglected space that receive a planting on the wall. Maybe if your room is wide enough, invest in a narrow sideboard which will make your halo look as considered as the rest of your house and can moonlight as storage for clean sheets and towels. With the length and clean lines, signboards can help define hard to style areas like foyers and under the stair notes and unlike they are using the long and lean constructible signboard significantly appear storage capacity. You can put the signboard behind the sofa to size space or you can put it next to your reading answer, decorate the surface with a luxurious mirror or add a great ornament to give a special touch to it. If you do not want to use it behind mid-century sofa, take the opportunity to fit it on the empty space or lifeless wall in your living room. It will add a finishing touch and certainly filling your living room decoration beats. Kitchen signboards have many uses and they came in different sizes and design. They can be used as a buffet display and storage system. Choosing your kitchen signboard design should be based on what you need. For some people, go for signboard if they want a modern kitchen cabinet without having to use built-in cabinets. There are signboards that are used to extension to the sink, while others are designed to provide platforms or ornamental display. Modern signboards are truly unique furniture design pieces. Besides acting as a perfect storage element for any room design, it has also the ability to fill empty spaces according to your aesthetic preferences. Since functionality is one of your biggest concerns when it comes to interior design, we bring you a selection of gorgeous modern signboard design ideas that range from colorful to monochromatic, and many more. Signboards come in a wide range of style, form, and finishes, and with a slight twist in the overall celebrity that can be used in different ways while still becoming the focal point of any room. They are done most modern signboards rely on simple straight lines and a hint of minimalism and innovative design to bring the best of form and functionality together. Of large surface area on the top of signboard give you the perfect opportunity to create a elegant display. Yes, it is a storage space beneath that often is real winner or signboard can solve many of your design conundrum in a single go. Whether it is called a server syringa, a long cabinet, or a living room console, the modern signboard is branded in a variety of ways by different decor makers. Some have short legs, while others sit even closer to the ground. Then there are those that float gently above the ground to create a more visual, spacious interior. In this video, you will find the latest and modern signboards that wow with variety, creativity, and space-saving goodness. Modern signboards are not only about refined gray, panicky, and simplicity, plain slope white. A revival of retro and vintage pattern has seen even signboard being grabbed in florid finishes. What was the period of decor that one would hope to find out on the set of 70s shows has now become a common addition to contemporary living room or and even in the dining room. In an open plan room to help define multiple spaces or plate it under a hanging mirror or painting to create a stylish with nice sideline those standard filling cabinets. While the shelves can be sized for folders and anywhere in your house, a sleek, simple sideboard is the perfect countertop to a busy salon style art wall. Always or often that no man lands of home design, neglected pieces that receives a painting on the wall. Maybe if yours is wide enough, invest in a narrow sideboard, which will make your hallway look as cons- uh, consider as the rest of your house and can moonlight as storage for clean sheets and towels. With the light and clean line signboards can help define hard to style areas like floors and under the stair notes. And unlike their cuisine, the long and lean constable signboard significantly up your storage capacity. You can put your signboard behind the sofa to size space, or you can put it next to your reading answer. Decorate the surface with a luxurious mirror to add a great ornament to give a special touch to it. If you not want to use behind the white sensory sofa, take the opportunity to put it on empty space or lifeless well in your living room. It will add a finishing touch and certainly filling your living room. Decoration needs kitchen signboards have many uses. They become in different sizes and design. They can be used as a buffer display and storage system. Choosing your kitchen signboard design should be based on what you need it for. Some people go for a signboard if you want a modern kitchen cabinet without having to use built-in cabinets. There are signboards that are used as extension to the sink, while others are designed to provide platform for ornamental display. Friends, hope you like this video on modern signboard design ideas, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe on our channel.